In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a terms and conditions checkbox to Shopify checkout. By the end, you'll have a clear, visible checkbox that customers must accept before completing their purchase, helping you communicate store policies and reduce disputes. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, open the Apps section. This is where we'll find and install the tool that places the checkbox on your checkout. In the Apps view, use the search field and type the phrase RA term. That shortcut will surface a popular app designed specifically for adding a terms and conditions checkbox. If you don't see it right away, double-check your spelling or press the prompt that appears to search the Shopify App Store. Click the option that says to search for RA term in the Shopify App Store. This takes you directly to the listing results. Look for the app titled RA Terms and Conditions checkbox. Open its page to review details like screenshots, a quick feature overview, and recent reviews so you know what to expect. On the apps page, click Install. Shopify may confirm which store you're installing to and prompt you to continue. Follow the on-screen prompts until you reach the permissions screen inside your Shopify admin. Here, you'll see exactly what the app needs to function. When you're comfortable with the permissions, click Install again to grant access and finish adding the app to your store. After installation, you'll land in the app's dashboard. Locate the field to edit the checkbox message. This is the text customers will see next to the checkbox at checkout. Keep it clear and direct. Something like, I agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy. If the app supports links, consider linking to your policies so shoppers can review them easily. Aim for concise language that's easy to understand on desktop and mobile. When your message looks good, turn the feature on by clicking Enable. This activates the checkbox across your checkout, typically just before the payment step. From this point, customers must actively check the box before they can place an order, which helps ensure they've acknowledged your policies. That's all there is to it. You opened Apps in Shopify, searched for the RA Terms and Conditions checkbox by typing RA Term, installed it from the Shopify App Store, confirmed permissions, customized the checkbox message, and enabled it. If you ever want to adjust the wording, revisit the app's settings, tweak the message, and save. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a clearer, more compliant checkout experience.